Hi everybody, it's Andrea with BiON Skincare. I am their licensed esthetician and director of education. I am going to talk to you today about our skin rejuvenation kit. This kit contains 4 different products which are going to help protect your collagen and elastin, moisturize and hydrate the skin, and then there's also an SPF protect and moisturize well during the day. The first product that comes in the kit is our cleanser for normal skin. The cleanser for normal skin is going to be a great cleanser for all skin types. It's going to help remove excess dirt and oil, but also leave the skin nice and hydrated and not that stripped, tight feeling on the skin. Step 2 in the kit is our Collagen Revival Serum. This is going to help promote collagen and elastin production using vitamins and antioxidants such as a couple different forms of vitamin C, and then it also leaves the skin feeling nice and hydrated and smooth afterwards. The third product that comes in the kit is our Youthful Eyes Peptide Cream. This is a moisturizing eye cream full of peptides to help puff out fine lines and wrinkles and also help with those dark circles. This can be used morning and night, and it can also be used all over the face since the base of it is a moisturizer. The fourth and final step in the kit is the titanium dioxide SPF 35. This is a pure physical sunscreen. Uses titanium dioxide and zinc oxide to help protect the skin against UVA and UVB rays. This can also be used as a moisturizer in the morning, so you can either use the Youthful Eyes peptide that I talked about, or you can use the titanium dioxide SPF 35 in the morning. To protect your skin and make sure that you're not damaging your skin further, since we're using products to help reverse all of that sun damage. We want to make sure it's protected every day, no matter if it's summer or winter. For more information, you can visit our website at www.bionresearch.com, or you can call us at 877-715-2466.